the vodka on it. Some people like to add tequila. It depends on your flavors as well.
Hola, welcome to Mexico City. This is Chef Graciela. Today you will learn how to master authentic Mexican tacos from scratch. Twist and cut 8 pieces, and I will create an oval shape of around 7 inches length. I have my taco here. Then comes the filling, delicious filling.
This is why we make hot chocolate exactly like this in Portugal. And now we are going to add a secret ingredient for our Christmas special hot chocolate. Look at this, people, come on! It's snowball fight! Come on, people, try to run for it!
We will share our handmade pasta technique with our guests. You need a grandma to know it. Ciao! Don't press on the pasta or it will stick. What makes our experience so special, I think, is the love we put in.
Hi, my name's Mark and this is Missy, and we want to take you on a virtual tour of this magical part of Ireland. King George landed here in 1821. Now there's a very funny story, a rumour around the king when he landed here. Along the route we will delve into Irish history, culture and the myths and legends you've come to associate with the Emerald Isle. Sláinte.
Good evening. This is Socrates from Fake News TV Live from Athens.
We also had a god for stupidity. If you're stupid, you don't pray to Zeus, you don't pray to Athena, you pray to the god of stupidity.
I thought to be open-minded, but this is too much open-minded.
Hi guys, let's go into our vegetable garden. Those are our zucchini flowers. Then we have some tomato. Let's collect some basil. Wow.
Now we are going to prepare our pasta dough. What we need: flour and egg.
Bye bye guys.
Welcome to the most beautiful, amazing, awesome, fantastic, incredible city in the history of humankind. We're gonna split you into teams and we will be doing a few activities.
I've been playing nice, this is over.
My name is Christian. I'm going to be your host today. With this experience, I want that you find happiness in simple things like a cup of coffee. In this part, we're going to clean the filter and preheat the pot. Cheers, my friends!
What I'm going to show you at home is something that's really simple to make, but fantastic tasting that you can wow any guests that you get around in the future. Make sure we've got a good seal. I'm just going to add a little slice like that. This is a drink you're going to enjoy at home. I've made a little bit of a diamond there. That's how your cocktail should look. Cheers, guys. Tell me what you think.
So, I'm Luca. I'm Lorenzo. If you don't have time, guys, you can use other aromatic herbs. The secret of our family, the garlic. With the palm of your hand, you press, stretch, and roll. It's not very big. Okay. Perfect. Ah, brava, Nicole. Perfect. Yay! With butter on the top of that. What about your babies?
Yeah. This is delicious. I love the butter sage.
Yeah, it's a must. Really good.
Bravi, guys.
Bravi.
Welcome to my paella experience. Magic, 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 magic.
You thought you were in paradise. Cause I'm a cool, cool breeze. You thought you were blinded by the bright lights, but it was just me.
Goodbye.
It's your birthday.
My name is Luisa and I've been living in Barcelona for the last 11 years. I've started studying astrology 5 years ago.
Hey Luisa, super excited about this.
So like this wheel, the 12 signs of the zodiac. You have 5 planets there. And in 1 year, the sun goes through all the signs of the zodiac. So thank you very much.
Most welcome. Thanks to you.
We are here on the Charles Bridge, the famous one. This is a very exceptional situation that you don't see anyone on this bridge. We are going towards this big tower there. Then we can explore the city of Prague. And we will visit some of the most important sites, but also some hidden spots, some hidden gems of Prague you might not easily find on the maps.
Welcome to Sing with the Broadway Star, and I play Scar in The Lion King.
Put your hands together and then give the shake.
I'll give you my top singing tip, which will make anyone sing better.
Good, so good.
Going up tonight. Hi, I'm Hannah Mia. Welcome to my concert from Iceland.
Hi, I like it.
Yes, hello everyone! This experience really feels like a live concert.
How do you say cheers in Icelandic?
Skål!
This has been wonderful!
You're the best audience.
Hey everyone! Welcome to Storytime with Santa Claus.
Hi!
Have you seen any elves behind your window?
I'm not sure. I live in an apartment building.
When you want to join this conversation, you don't need anything except open mind.
Oh, ho, 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 ho.
My name is Matt. What we'll do is we'll teach you holiday terms in relation to sign language.
Reindeer. Doesn't matter which hand you do it with.
It's whichever one you feel strong with. I myself learned sign language when I got to college, so I understand the feeling of learning a new language later.
Oh, that's so good.
In my activity, we are making darling little dolls out of socks. This is your basic sewing skills.
I got one leg.
Nice job on the knot doing any acupuncture on yourself. Hold it open, start cutting away, pull it through like so.
I love doing this.
I like to improve the world one doll at a time.